Okay, here are the answers for the 323 review preview. For the first problem on 94, you need to solve for x and check if possible. So in the first one, I'm going to first subtract 3x from both sides. They both cancel out, so I get negative 7 equals 1, which is not true, so it's no solution. For b, I'm going to add 4x to both sides. So I get 2x minus 5 equals 2. Add 5 to both sides. So I get 2x equals 7. Divide by 2, so I get x equals 3.5, or 7/2. For 2, I'm going to get 2 plus 3x, x and 3x, so I'm going to get 2 plus 3x. As soon as I see that they're the same, I know it's infinite solutions. Okay. In D, first I have to get rid of the parentheses, so I get a negative x plus 2 equals x plus 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I get negative x equals x. Add x to both sides. So I get 0 equals 2x. Divide by 2. I'm going to get x equals 0. Be careful with that one. X can be 0. Doesn't mean it's no solution. Okay, for problem 95, it says evaluate for the given value. So I'm going to plug it in and find the answer. So 30 minus 2 times negative 6 is going to give me 30 plus 12, because the two negatives make a positive, so I get 42. B, I'm going to square negative 3 plus 2 times negative 3. So this means negative 3 times negative 3 are 9, plus negative 6, which is 3. C, negative 1/2 times negative 6. Well, half of negative 6 is 3. It's a negative times negative, so it's positive 3 plus 9, or 12. And then D is the square root, so I'm taking the square root of 9, which means what number times itself is 9. So the answer is actually 3 or negative 3, because either one would be true. Problem 96, the length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than twice its width. Perimeter is 78 inches. So if I had a rectangle and I made it my width x, my length is 3 more than twice my width. So 3 plus 2x. So to find my variables, I just make a little table. My width, my length. Width is x. Length is 3 plus 2x. So when I find perimeter, I have to add all the way around. So I end up with actually 4, 5, 6x plus 6 equals 78, because it says right here, write and solve an equation. So I get 6x equals 72. I'm going to get x equals 12. So my width is 12. And then plug it back in to find my length. So I do 3 plus 2 times 12, or 3 plus 24, which is 27. So the width is 12 centimeters. And the length is 27 centimeters. Problem number 97, it says calculate the y values, draw a graph, and then say what a graph looks like. So first, when I square something, remember multiplying by itself. So negative 2 squared is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Negative 1 squared is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. 0 squared is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 squared is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 squared is 4, so I still get 0 again. And 3 squared is 9, 4 minus 9 is negative 5. So I'm going to make a complete graph. I'm going to have x, y. I'm going to count by ones for both. So negative 3, 2, 3. It's right here. Negative 2, 0. Negative 1, 3. 0, 4. 1, 3. 2, 0. And 3, negative 5. So my graph is going to look like this. Oops. Make sure I put arrows. Okay, so you could say it's a parabola. Or you could say it's a U-shaped upside down. Okay. 98, we're going to simplify each expression. So they're multiplication and division of fractions. So for A, I do keep, change, flip. So I'm going to do 5 over 4 times 16 over 7. I can cross reduce. 4 goes into 16 4 times, so I get 20 over 7, or 2 6/7. B is just straight multiplication. So I multiply straight across. I get negative 50 over 143. That can't be simplified. 9, I'm going to flip again. So I get 9 over 11 times negative 21 over 20. I can't simplify anything, so I get negative 189 over 220. And then for D, I flip again, so I get negative 8 over 3 times negative 18 over 5. 3 goes into 18 6 times. So I get 48 over 5. It's positive because a negative times a negative. Or 9 3/5.